Mars was never a planet. It was a moon that once orbited a world so massive it doesn't exist anymore. That world was destroyed, some say in a war, and Mars is the last surviving witness.
Witness?
Yeah, to understand what Mars really is, we have to go back. Between Mars and Jupiter, there should be a planet. The space is wide enough to hold something larger than Earth. Instead, there's chaos. A swirling field of broken rock, the asteroid belt. Many believe this is no coincidence. That belt might be the shattered remains of a world called Phaeton, or Maldek.
Wait, so Mars wasn't always a planet?
No. It may have once been a moon, orbiting that world before it was torn apart. Look closer at Mars. It's half the size of Earth. Its magnetic field is gone. Its atmosphere is barely there, not enough to protect from radiation or impact. One half is flat and smooth. The other half is cracked and torn, like it's been through trauma. Then, there's the Hellas Basin, a crater so deep it could swallow Mount Everest, and Valles Marineris, a canyon that runs longer than the entire United States.
So Mars isn't just small, it's broken.
Not broken, scarred. The theory goes like this. Mars orbited a massive planet that formed with the rest of the solar system. But something happened. That world was destroyed by an enormous impact, or something far more mysterious. Some say it was war, a war between ancient civilizations, or even between gods. And Mars? Caught in the blast. Left alone. Drifting.
A war? Between who?
That's the mystery. And ancient texts might hold the clues. In ancient Sumerian tablets, there's a mysterious planet, Nibiru. In the Vedic texts of India, gods wage war in the sky with divine weapons. The Book of Revelation speaks of a dragon sweeping stars from the heavens. What if those aren't just metaphors? What if they're fragments of memory?
You're saying Mars was a moon in the middle of a cosmic war?
Maybe. And it may be the only thing left to tell the story. Now, modern science doesn't support this. They say the asteroid belt is a failed planet, one that never fully formed. They say Mars is small and geologically inactive. But they can't fully explain the missing magnetic field, the extreme hemispheric terrain, the unusually violent impacts, and most of all, why their own models say there should have been a planet right where the asteroid belt is now.
Wow.
Yeah. And more questions arise. What if Mars wasn't meant to be alone? What if it was a moon, stable, shielded, until everything it orbited vanished? Now it spins alone, cold, dry, scarred.
Then the story of our solar system isn't what we've been told.
It might not even be close. Mars might be more than a planet. It may be a memorial, a relic of a destroyed civilization, or a war long forgotten. This is Unlimited Mindset, where we remember what was forgotten and ask the questions they don't want you to ask. Maybe we weren't the first.